Meaning of GiB.
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 GiB. GiB is an abbreviation for gigabyte, which is a unit of digital information storage. It's similar to the more common gigabyte, but it's based on binary math instead of decimal math. Specifically, 1 gigabyte represents 2 to the power of 30 bytes, which is equal to 1,073,741,824 bytes. This term is often used in the context of computer storage and memory, especially when discussing large amounts of data. In summary, GiB is a unit of digital storage that represents 2 to the power of 30 bytes, or 1,073,741,824 bytes.